In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote someone in your Clash Royale clan. This is going to be exactly how you can do it in a few easy steps, but if this video does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Clash Royale tutorials. It really does help out the channel. First things first, open up Clash Royale and then go to your clan tab by navigating to it in the very bottom. Now keep in mind you are going to need to be a clan leader or even a co-leader to promote other members. Essentially find the member that you're trying to promote. In this case, we're going to go ahead and do this guy right here. Click on him, and then what you're going to want to do here is actually click view profile. There's going to be an option that says promote. Go ahead and select it, and it's going to give you the option to promote that person to an elder. Now, if you're trying to promote someone to a co-leader or leader, keep in mind that only leaders can promote someone to a co-leader or leader. If you promote someone to a leader, you'll automatically be demoted to co-leader. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash Royale content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.